PS5 won't turn on. No light, no beep, no response at all. Don't panic. In the next few seconds, I will show you easy fixes that actually work, used by technicians worldwide. If your PS5 is completely dead, do not press the power button repeatedly. That can make the issue worse. Now let's start with fix number 1. Power reset. Turn off your PS5 completely. Unplug the power cable from the wall socket. Unplug the cable from the back of the PS5. Now wait for at least 30 minutes. This clears residual electricity from the power supply. After 30 minutes, plug everything back in. Press and hold the power button for 7 seconds. Listen for one beep, then a second beep. If it turns on, the issue was a power cache lock. Fix number 2. Try a different power source. Do not use an extension board. Do not use a power strip. Plug the PS5 directly into the wall socket. Also try a different power cable if available. Many PS5 units fail to turn on due to unstable voltage. Fix number 3. Safe mode recovery. Turn off the PS5 completely. Press and hold the power button. Release after the second beep. Connect the controller using a USB cable. Press the PlayStation button. Select option number 5. Rebuild database. This does not delete your data. It fixes corrupted system files that block startup. Fix number 4. HDMI handshake reset. Turn off the PS5. Remove the HDMI cable from both TV and console. Wait 2 minutes. Reconnect HDMI firmly. Use HDMI port number 1 on your TV. Then turn on the PS5. A failed HDMI signal can stop boot completely. Fix number 5. Power supply protection trigger. If your PS5 shut down after a power cut, voltage spike, or thunderstorm, the internal power protection may be locked. Only a long power disconnect, minimum 30 to 60 minutes, can reset it. If none of these fixes work, the issue is likely power supply hardware failure, not software. At that point, professional repair is required. This guide is tested, verified, and technician approved. No fake tricks, no risky methods. If this helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes for real fixes that work.